What if the government already built you a secret vault, a place where your money grows, and they never touch it? Ever. Most people walk past it every single day without knowing it exists. We all think taxes are unavoidable. You earn money, government takes some. That is just life. But that is only true if you play by the default routes. And most people never learn there are other routes. Here is how it works. At $0 saved, you pay taxes on everything. Normal life. At $10,000, you open something called a Roth IRA. You put money in. It grows. You pay zero tax on any of it. Ever. At $50,000, your money starts making money. Dividends, gains, interest, all of it growing completely tax-free. At $250,000, your investments are quietly generating real passive income. And the government gets nothing. At $1 million, you have a second financial life running in the background, completely invisible to taxes. Here is the crazy part. The government knows this exists. They built it themselves. They just made the rules complicated enough that most people never figure it out. You do not need to be rich to start. You just need to open the right account. A Roth IRA costs nothing to open. You can start with $50. The only thing standing between you and tax-free wealth is knowing it exists. The vault is already built. The door is already open. The only question is, how long are you going to walk past it?